Hello and welcome back to the channel. Stop wasting time on Photoshop to design NBA jersey. There's a free and fast way to create NBA jersey mockup. Using Gemini, a fully customized NBA jersey mockup can be created for free. It starts by uploading a plain clothes image and adding a prompt to generate the print pattern. After a few seconds, the jersey design is ready. From there, the same process is used to add the brand logo, hero artwork, player name and number, and the final background. Step by step, the NBA jersey comes together and looks match-ready. All the prompts are shared at the end, so you can create your own for free.